everybody, this is Divakar from BJP family at GDC Lakshmipet. We are going to present before a project on bioremediation. Is a part of Jignasa student study project. Bioremediation is a subject which should be addressed immediately. In this regard, we students from GDC Lakshmipet are coming with a small step to make an awareness on this project. We hope it should become a large campaign. Day by day, our earth becoming a huge dustbin with various waste material deposited as a result of various activities to degrade this waste material, which may be from household, industries, medicines, plastic and human activities, causes a lot of menace and creating hindrance for life to continue on earth. This waste material pollutes soil, water and become media for growth of many harmful microorganisms which spreads deadly diseases and also makes soil and water not suitable for use. Aims and objectives of this project. Through this project, we students from GDC Lakshmipet aim at bringing awareness on focusing the waste degradation by bioremediation method which is eco-friendly. Chemical treatment or burning of these waste material which release poisonous byproducts into atmosphere is very dangerous to life on earth. Hence, alternate solution is introduce the use of biological organisms to degrade waste by converting them into safer byproducts. The best way out, and that is nothing but bioremediation. Now, I request my friend Anjana to continue this remaining part of this project.
3.
As a part of this Jignasa project, data collection from our experience and data collected from the various articles, we find the many information about the bioremediation. From time immemorial, we have been practicing this biodegradation process unknowingly, but only to the small extent. We see throwing kitchen waste products into the backyard, which degrades and get mixed into the soil. The preparation of organic matter on the same process. Many biological organisms are behind the process of the biodegradation. Namo Ganga, which is a huge combined for cleaning Ganga's water, this is the best example for the biodegradation. Dumping of waste into the soil and water. Here, see the picture before the Ganga bioremediation, after the Ganga bioremediation. To our wonder, we find many bacteria, fungi, algae, plants are used for the biomedicine. Some example are going with the bacteria, Staphylococcus aureus, helping the bioremediation, heavy metals from the water bodies, and organisms, aquatics, Bu33, crude oil, and phenol. Delaware bacteria virus for cleaning river Ganga, Bacillus species, most plant and human waste. And next part, fungi, Fusarium fluoratus species, pharmaceutical byproducts, and plants, Sisal arachidum, lead, cadmium, copper in the soil, and Cucumis sativus, lead in water. These are some examples for the bioremediation. Many of the plants, bacteria, fungi also in the biomedicine and exploring application of the biomedicine process. We need the hour. Let us conclude this project. Healthier economy because of healthier environment. We are experiencing that we are traveling between the waste materials from the various sources. We are unable to escape from the effects of dumping of waste materials onto the earth. Chemical degradation or burning is adding some more salt into the problem. Hence, your using of bioremediation, this is eco-friendly, will be good results where making also degrade plastic, which is very dangerous, and to be part in making our earth a safer dwelling with all living organisms.
Thanks for giving a great opportunity. Clean air, safe air.